morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel.
Hello.
Here's David. We're gonna do a little vlog under quarantine today. Today is March 29th. We live in Ohio. As I know, everything varies lately, state by state and day by day. Do you have something you want to say?
Mom, I want to get to the park.
So currently in Ohio, we are on a stay-at-home order, except for essential employees, weddings, funerals,
Like myself.
and going out to get physical activity at parks and walking your dogs and stuff like that. You're not allowed on the playgrounds at parks or anything like that, but you are allowed to go and walk and get fresh air. So that is what we are going to be doing today. I don't know if this will change within the next few days or weeks or whatever, because this is not going out right away. This video is not. But we are going, and we do like exercise every day. Since it's Lent right now, that was our thing. We're gonna do exercise every day. So we're gonna go to the park, and we're like, let's take Finn. And then we were like, you know what, let's make it even better. So we're going out to David's parents' house to pick up their dog. And we're gonna take their dog to the park, and right down the street from their house is an 8-mile like walking trail loop. And so we're gonna try to walk 8 miles today, and with both dogs. But that is what we're gonna do today. And then later tonight we have a date night planned. We are going to meal prep for the week and make a big thing of lasagna so that David can have food to take to work, because even though they delivered stuff for him to be working at home, they're like, you're essential and you need to still come into actual work. So
for the time being, hopefully for one more week.
Yeah, hopefully for not much longer. But we're gonna make some lasagna tonight from scratch, and then we're also going to
watch our Netflix show.
We've been into the Young and Hungry on Netflix. I've tried for years to get him into that, and he's finally watching it. So we're watching that, and then I really want to do a puzzle tonight with him. I did one yesterday. It was a Mickey Mouse puzzle yesterday, and today I found a dolphin one, and I'd like to do a dolphin puzzle, and he's not having it, but we're gonna try to convince him.
I said that I would think about it if I got some Xbox time to myself.
Oh yeah, I have a lot of editing to do, catch up on videos, pictures, everything like that, because like I can still work with the amount of editing I've put off. So I'm gonna have some time to do that today, and he's gonna get some Xbox time, and then we're gonna have some lasagna time. I'm so excited! But we're almost to their house. We're gonna pick up the dog, and then we're gonna go to the park. Finn, are you excited? Are you excited for the park? Woo! The park! Woohoo! He's like, please let me come up there with you. He was looking out the window and he kept scratching my legs, trying to get out, like his head out the window farther. So he went to the back, and now he's just crying. Are we mistreating you? Are we abusing you? Okay. Hey, guess what? We're gonna go see Shyla. Do you like Shyla? We're gonna go pick her up, and we're gonna go to the park with Shyla. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. He's like, I know where I am. Alright guys, we made it to the park. The sign says it's gonna take 2.5 hours for us to walk this, but these dogs are dragging us right now. We started at 11:15, I believe. What time is it?
11:21.
6 minutes in, alright.
Yep.
We saw Sunny and we were like, alright, it's gonna be a beautiful day. And it is when you're standing in the sun, but it's also very windy. But we are on our way walking now. Yay! And the dogs are having so much fun. It's so precious. But yes, very windy, kind of chilly. We put jackets on, and it's gonna be a fun time. So let's start the montage.
Charlotte's like, I just want to walk or run. Finn's like, I want the stick.
I'm helping today. Okay, buddy. It's perfect.
That's wrong.
Finn! Ew, that's yucky!
Clean this thing out. David really doesn't want to do the dishes.
Alright guys, we are home now. We were very surprised. It took us 2 hours and 25 minutes. So
We beat what the recommendation.
we thought it would not take that long at all, but it took a long time. Finn is exhausted. He fell asleep on the way home. We are going to eat some lunch. David's gonna play Xbox. I'm gonna edit, and then we'll see you guys when it's time to make some lasagna for dinner and then do our puzzle. I'm really excited about it. This is the one that I did the other day. It's 300 pieces, and they're like little emojis in there. And then this one's the one that we get to do today. Alright guys, we are getting ready to make some lasagna. I can put like a screenshot of this recipe. My aunt gave it to me last time I was in Florida, but a little rundown of what you need. Some lasagna noodles, 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 things of ricotta cheese,
I had to do it.
2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese or Italian
Catch.
blend cheese. We need 2 jars of Prego sauce, not necessarily Prego, just spaghetti sauce, 2 eggs, and Italian seasoning if you want.
It's not focusing.
David is going to start making the ground beef. We only need 2 pounds and this thing is 3 pounds. That's on him. I hate meat. I think meat, looking at it, it's disgusting.
No, she doesn't.
Oh my word. I am going to, it's bothering me that I look so red. It's because of this light. Will you turn that light off over there? All right, well, I guess that's a little bit better. I am going to take both of these things of ricotta cheese and I'm going to put it into a bowl, and then I'm gonna add 2 eggs and the 2 cups of cheese, and I'm just gonna mix it all together so we have a good cheese layer. Look at me talking like I'm an expert at this. I learned how to do this like 2 weeks ago. Anyway, as I was saying, David is cooking the ground beef right now. I am going to be putting all of this cheese in this bowl. And then I'm gonna be doing it with both of these ricotta cheeses. And then I'm gonna add 2 eggs, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, and then stir it all together so that we have a cheese layer. All right, I got the sauce blend all done. The meat is almost done also. David and Finn are over there playing. Finn sounds very vicious.
You want to cheers?
Alright, so we have our meat mixed in with our sauce, and then all of our cheeses together. I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning to the sauce. We just have one of these, I don't know, glass pans. I have a lid with it. We registered for it for our wedding and got it, so this is what we're going to be making our lasagna in. We also have all of our recyclables right here from here, because everything for this can be recycled just about. We are just going to layer the meat and sauce first, then the lasagna noodles, then the cheese, then the meat, noodles, cheese, meat, noodles, cheese. For those of you who want this recipe, here you go, screenshot your phone right now. That's what I'm working with. Alright, this is done! Well, not yet.
Time to eat.
It needs to go in the oven, but that's what the layers look like. Last time I learned the hard way, don't put non-cooked pasta on the top layer because it just burns off. So, this is what it looks like right now. My aunt taught me to put it on a cookie sheet in case it bubbles over or whatever, then it won't hurt the bottom of the oven. And then I'll need to clean the oven, it'll just be on this. So we're going to put this in at 350.
And sprinkle your dog over top. So
Oh my gosh, David, stop! So we're going to put this in at 350 for, I think, 45 minutes. Let me double check. Yeah, for 45 minutes. David's piece looks nice and beautiful. Mine does not because we ran out of spatulas and had to use a spoon, but this is kind of the finished product. That is pretty much it for today's vlog. We're just going to enjoy our dinner now, and then we're gonna do a puzzle and watch Young and Hungry. You know how we spend every quarantine night. That is it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Woo. We will see you guys next time.
Next time.
What?
I don't know. I was gonna say it later.
All right. See you guys.